Hi, I'm Larry from TipHaus. I'm a senior account executive here, and I'd like to show you our peer-to-peer functionality inside of our employee app today. Peer-to-peer is a great tool to use for one-off tip sharing amongst employees. So say we had a really busy night tonight at the restaurant, and a lot of my fellow team members helped me out. I can go into my app, which is represented on my phone here. I can go into the little share button, and then I can see that I have $391 or $90.61 to share with my team. From there, I'll open the little blue plus button, and then here I can see my employee roster, what positions they may have worked, and also if they're currently working on the clock or if maybe they had today off. From there, I can click into an employee and say, my bartender just really helped me out tonight, went above and beyond making some drinks for me. I can go in here and say, hey, Nico, I'm going to give you $5 extra for taking care of me. Inside of that, I can type in a note that just says thank you or appreciate you, followed by entering my PIN number. And then once I hit my PIN number, that $5 will go from my take-home column over to Nico. If you'd like to hear more about peer-to-peer sharing, give us a shout at sales@tiphaus.com or go to our YouTube channel and you'll see a wealth of information there as well.